Hey there, baby. What can I do for you?
What's your name? Actually, forget your name. How much for an afternoon?
Well, tell me first, what are you gonna do to me?
The thing is, I really, really want to punch you. I really want to hit you hard. I really want you to come here now. Can you come here now?
I'm going to beat the shit out of you. Do as I say.
I'm not done with you yet.
You want this, don't you? You want this?
I want to beat your face in.
Stop
You're not
it.
gonna be able to stand at the end of this thing.
Stop! Please stop!